Hi everyone, if you need a copy of your Equifax credit report in PDF format, here's a simple guide to help you find and download it. First, open Google Chrome and search for Equifax credit report PDF. From the search results, click on the relevant Equifax link to open the website. Once the page opens, scroll down and look for the Get My Report option, then click on it. Next, click on Sign In here to access your account. Here, enter your email address and username in the required fields and continue. Once your report is available, check the email you received from Equifax. The email should include your full free credit report, or FFFCR, as a password-protected PDF attachment. You'll need Adobe Acrobat or another compatible PDF reader to open the attached report. To download the report, open the attachment and select the download option. Because the report is password protected, you'll need to use the password format provided in the email from Equifax. The email explains how the password is created using your personal information. Follow those instructions exactly as provided in the email rather than sharing your personal details anywhere else. And that's how you can access and download your Equifax credit report as a PDF. Make sure you keep your credit report and personal information secure and avoid sharing the PDF or password with anyone you don't trust. That's it for this guide. If you found these steps helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.